Maria, good morning. Yes, of course. My name is Markus Otto and I am Director of Sales here at Morita Europe.
And you are wearing a 100 plus badge, and I see also the same on your badge.
Correct. Morita actually has been founded in 1916 and we are very proud to celebrate our 100 years anniversary this year. After a lovely celebration in the famous Kyoto Conventional Center last year in October, we also want to celebrate with our partners and friends on a global or international basis. And the IDS is of course the perfect venue for that.
So what does the plus mean? That you can see everywhere?
Actually, it's always great to look back, especially if you have the history that Morita can offer. But it's even more important to look into the future, or to be precise, to shape the future. And that is what we want to represent by the plus in our logo. You can also see that here at our booth. We have developed two highly innovative products in the field of augmented and virtual reality. And that will definitely influence the training as well as the education and maybe even the treatment within dentistry.
And during the IDS, a lot of companies launch new products. So is there something new here at Morita?
Of course, also Morita launches new products. You can see it in the background, our fantastic X800 machine, and we also have a new endomotor in our portfolio. David from our Kyoto factory will give you much more details about that.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, Maria.
Hi, David.
Hi, Maria.
Would you like to introduce yourself, please?
I'd love to. So my name is David Sleeman and I work in our Kyoto factory in Japan. So I've come out here to support our German team in our launch of our Veraview X800 as well as the launch of several of our innovative endo products.
Okay, and I see that Morita is the winner of the Gold Award 2017.
That's right, this is our second time to win an IF Gold Award. We originally won it for our Soric machine back in 2011, and now once again for our new X-ray device. So we're very, very proud to receive gold 2 times for dentistry.
And I see a brand new machine behind you.
Yes.
Can you tell us some words about this innovative?
Yes, this is our 8th generation of cone beam CT. And we've had the opportunity to redevelop this machine completely from scratch. So that means that we could no longer be encumbered by the history of taking a 2D device and building a 3D function onto it. We've built this machine to be a perfect 3D machine and a perfect 2D machine right from the ground up. Our corporate philosophy has always been focused on life, and this machine really embodies that philosophy. And because we have truly focused this machine on making the patient and the doctor very comfortable, we've done front-facing positioning here so that the doctor and the patient can easily interact with each other, which helps to reduce the overall anxiety that patients often feel when they are set in such a machine. So that helps for the patient. As well, we've brought some innovations to the field with cone beam CT. With this machine as well, we're able to actually adjust the sensor position so that we have ultimately the ideal angulation for CT or the ideal angulation for panoramic imagery. So we don't have to make any compromises anymore by allowing the machine to adjust itself depending on its imaging mode.
So, and who is this machine developed for?
Well, this machine was developed for not only the endodontist with our high resolution modes, but we've also developed this for maxillofacial surgeons and people that need a larger field of view. So we've been able to go from very, very small to very, very large with this machine, which we haven't been able to do traditionally on these kind of hybrid units. So of course, X-ray is not the only innovation that we're bringing here at IDS. We've also launched recently our latest endodontic motor, our TriAuto ZX2. And this brings completely new workflows to the endodontic field that were never before possible. We have a new optimum glide path function, which allows us to mimic the very delicate watch winding motions that most professional endodontists will perform. So that means that a general practitioner can perform the same level of treatments that a specialist who's been working for 30 years in the field can achieve. So this means the specialist and the general practitioner both benefit from this knowledge.